Why do green lines occur? It has been a problematic issue for some time now, since 2018 in Android phones and 2020 in iPhones. Several smartphone users started to address this issue, and since then, it has been a big headache for the smartphone companies. And since lots of users are facing this, we thought, why not check this? So let's dive deeper into this issue and check why it occurs, its solutions, and check all the aspects. So let's get started. The green line or the green tint first occurred at around 2018 in Android phone, especially in Samsung and OnePlus. Back then, this phone had AMOLED display, and initially AMOLED phone faced this problem the most. For example, Samsung, the flagship S series phones such as the S21, S22, even this year's S24 Ultra faced the green line issue. Other than that, OnePlus phones such as 80, 9, 9 Pro also faced this issue in the past. But what about Apple? Back in 2020, it had LCD display, right? But still then, iOS users say that after iOS update 13.4.1 rolled out, this issue started to occur in iPhones also. So, why does this occur? Let's check. Mainly there can be two reasons, a software reason and a hardware reason. If the issue is software related, then it can be due to a software glitch, a bad update, or something other than that. According to Forbes, many Samsung users saw this green line issue first time after a certain security patch rolled out. Now, if the issue is hardware, there can be several reasons. A damaged or a broken screen, a faulty design, some physical pressure, overheating which leads to a screen damage, or sometimes water damage which also leads to a screen damage. Now see, the AMOLED panel is a very intricately designed high-tech with lots of sensors. According to Financial Express, the AMOLED panel has different colors, and even due to some small voltage change, this green line can occur because the colors get messed up. Now, enough with the reasons. Let's get started with the remedies. See, now if this is a software issue, then there might be some solutions. One, the most obvious one is that you can restart your phone and check whether the problem is gone or not. Secondly, you can update your phone to the latest software update. And thirdly, if none of the above two works, then you can go for a factory reset of your phone. But if the problem still persists, I think it might be a hardware issue. If the issue is hardware, then the best solution is to visit the nearest service center and get it checked. If you are lucky enough and your phone is under warranty, you might get a free screen replacement depending on the company policy. And if it is not under warranty, then it might take 2,000 to even 10,000 rupees depending on the smartphone brand. The issue is so common right now that many smartphone companies is planning to provide free service for it. For example, let's take Samsung. It said it will give a free replacement to all the Samsung India customers who are facing this issue. You can check the range of phones which will have this offer. Even OnePlus has also claimed to declare a lifetime warranty under this. But there is a catch. OnePlus 8 Pro, 80, 9 and 9R won't be covered because they don't have the spare parts for it. So guys, if this issue occurs, please check the remedies that I said. And if it doesn't work, I would really request you to go to the nearest service center as soon as possible and get it fixed. And hopefully it does. So I hope you got some info from this video and it is helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.